What's up, guys? KP Moto, kind of a last minute thing here, but I'm about to go check out a four-wheeler for I think $200. I'm gonna hopefully get it for. The guy might be a little odd, kind of know him. He's an oddball, and I think this four-wheeler is gonna be questionable. But let's go check it out. He said go to the back garage. This looks like it here. How's it going? Keaton.
Wayne Wilson.
Wade Wilson?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. So here it is, huh?
Yeah, I got a 350 motor and big bear 4x4 all-time 4. We got 4 high, low, and reverse, and you get started and good.
So it runs and everything?
Hey, you come over here and just do what I do.
Okay. Is that how it's supposed to shut off when you just... It doesn't shut off over here?
It does, but that's just boring. You want to do it like that.
Okay, just give it gas to shut it off. Okay. Well, can you give it gas and it not shut off, or?
We're going to try it.
And try it. I guess that works pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it works really mean.
It's got a snorkel on here.
Yeah, what's left before?
What's left? Is it just not hooked up, or?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. It's missing the piece that goes there. All right. Do you have that piece by chance? Okay. This fucking guy. What else can you tell me about it?
There's flat tire on the side, and on the flat. That valve can pop right off.
That was simple. Okay, I see it, yeah. Well, that's not too bad. I can just throw a new tube in it. And anything else I should know? Do the brakes work or anything? Or no brakes at all?
You just stop by hitting the tree.
Okay, just... At least that's one way to... Oh yeah, they really have no brakes. It's ran good for you though? I mean, ever had any motor problems other than...
It's got the top ends, but I saw him in the water came up and I ran on a snorkel, rolled it and then snorkeled it. It lit on fire.
Oh. Where did it light on fire at?
If you look in there right where that all cooler, like right now, and the packs up, the grass packs up in there, and then the lights on fire because we exhaust.
Oh, okay. Well, it's pretty dang rough, but I mean, it runs, I guess. I don't know, I can't find a whole lot else. How much do you want for it again? What do you take?
About $3,500.
3,500? I was thinking like 200, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't mean to insult you, but you'll do 200? All right. You want me to load it up? Okay. There's kind of a technique to it, huh? Oh boy. Smokes a little bit. It wasn't doing that earlier.
Smokes like a banshee.
All right, guys, that was kind of a joke video. It's my buddy Reed. He doesn't actually talk like that, but I did actually buy this wheeler for $200. It needs a lot of work, but he's got a new wheeler and he doesn't.
TikTok famous.
It's TikTok famous. Let's do TikTok. Go check out his TikTok if you want to see some videos on that. Okay. I don't know. I might fix this thing. I might park it for a little bit. Oh, I'll probably go for a ride. I don't know. You want to go for a ride?
Bring oil.
Okay. What can you tell me about this?